Several days later.
Okay, so I hope you guys are ready. So those of you who know, I recently just moved here. To Joburg, and moving here was something where it's something that I wanted for such a long time, but then I never really got to it. I feel like the whole of last year, 2024, I really wanted to move here, guys, but it never really happened because there was always something going on. Yeah, there was, I don't know if this angle is good. Maybe I should come. A lot of the times as people, we really overlook what God is doing for us because we focus on the negative and we focus on being, impatient. Valid. We become impatient, but God has a time for everything. God has His own timing. And then, so yeah, I eventually moved, and I've been stressed, guys. I won't lie. For the first time ever, I feel like I'm sort of at peace. I have some sort of peace, somewhat, because when I moved here, it was really stressful because I was trying to get a job. Today I don't have liner. I don't know if you guys can tell. I was trying to get a job. I was trying to get my papers. I was trying to get a place, especially like towards the end of March. I was trying to get a place, and I was so stressed. I had so much pressure. I was feeling homesick. But then, also, like, I forgot to tell you guys that when I moved to Joburg, first, like, the plan was to stay with a cousin, like, a family friend. But things didn't go out that way, guys, and I was stressed because I'm like, yo, this was not part of the plan. I was supposed to stay with this family friend slash relative, and they changed. They literally switched on me, and now I found myself having to stay somewhere else. But the good thing is I landed in a good place, and I really feel like I landed in a place where I was really supposed to be. Like, everything that was happening where I was felt like it was meant to happen. The reason why I'm here today is because I landed in that place. Okay? Also, the thing about faith, guys, plans changed completely. Everything changed. Everything I planned, and I had no clue what was gonna happen. Like, I was praying, and I'm like, God, what's going to happen? Please help me to figure this out. Like, I felt lost, and I was so scared and worried. But then I feel like, who am I to even give advice on anything, guys? But all I know is with God, things just seem to work out. You know what I'm saying? I wouldn't be here. I don't know where I would have been. I wasn't prepared for this. Everything that happened, I literally was not prepared. But somehow things just found ways of doing them. Also, my papers, I was really worried about papers and stressed and like, what am I gonna do? But with regards to that, guys, everything with that, it just happened. Everything just, yeah. And then I was trying to get a house because I wanted my son to come stay moving with me, and I was looking at so many places. And some of the places, they need you to have good credit, all of that. That was also another thing that was stressing me. Like, okay, the place where I really want to live, they need all of these things. But eventually, like I'm saying, everything found a way of making sense. God made a way. Anyway, I ended up moving here. I live here now. This is my place, and I love it. Honestly, I really love this place. I can't complain. If I move, I don't know, but if I do move from this place, someone's calling me, and I don't know why. Okay, I have to take this call. Just a minute.
I got pretty girl problems. Thinking my pretty girl problems. I got pretty girl problems. I'm getting what I want. Getting what I want.
Sorry about that, guys. We're back. Anyway, like I was explaining, things just find a way of coming together with God. He'll always make a way. So yeah, I'm here now, and I really was stressed. When I first got here, I was losing it. I was impatient. I was feeling like I might have made a wrong decision moving here. I was feeling a lot of things, guys. That's the truth when I moved here. But then I just realized later on that, you know what, this is just me being impatient. And I had to be patient and trust God and have faith. So I took a leap of faith by moving here. I feel like I'm not giving you guys details of what really happened, but I will do that. I don't want to make this video long because, you know, with me, when it comes to editing, I'm very lazy when it comes to editing. But basically, this is just me saying, hey, I took a leap of faith. I was scared. I was stressed. I was worried, and it's been an up and down road. It still is, like, I'm telling you that. But I've learned so much over the past 2 months that I've been here, and I feel like I'm making my way. I feel hopeful. Like, a lot has happened. I've met a lot of people. I've done things. Yeah, I don't give myself enough credit also because it's just been 2 months. When I think about the fact that it's only been 2 months, and I'm like, what? It's only been 2 months of me being here. But yeah, everything is set. I've learned my lessons. I've been to the club. A few hosts have asked me to come to the club because I really wanted to work in the club. I don't know if I'm still gonna work in the club, but I feel like I'll cross that bridge later on. Right now I'm living in the Parks, Parktown North, but I really feel like I might move to an estate. I don't know if I will move to an estate, but I really like this place so far. And I'm excited also because I'm going to be going to Sim. I'm going home to visit the family, guys. Like, right now, that's all I'm thinking of. I have an appointment in May, so I have to come back to Joburg in May. But right now, all I can think of is home. My babies at home. My family. Like, we're going to the burnouts. I'm going to be in Harare. China my burnouts. What else do I want to do? I don't know what else is happening. Just being in Zim, guys, like, I'm really excited for all of that. And yeah, that's what's been happening, guys. But I feel like it's really time for me to start making bag. I really need to make bag. I can't say much. I don't want to say much. Also, with regards to my music, I did meet some people, but also it's like, you know, sometimes people really don't want to be, you can't depend on people, you know. That's all I'll say. But I'm going to release my music. I feel like I'm going to release the music in May because it's been so long, and I've come to realize that, you know what, I can't strive for perfection. I need to release the music. Maybe I'll do a video. I don't know. Maybe I'll do a little video when I go to Zim. But anyway, guys, that's just like a little update on what's been going on in my life. I used to feel lonely at first when I moved here, but I kind of enjoy my own company, guys. Like, I literally just sit here. I don't even like when people invite me. People are always like, oh, come to my house, and I don't like it. I like to sit here. Like, I make sure that I'm comfortable. Look at this. This is my safe space. I sit here on the heater, and I just like watch TikTok videos, binge watch TikToks. Exposure. What happens? Yeah, I just sit here and I binge watch TikToks. We'll watch a movie. I have watched a movie like once, but yeah, that just was the only time I've ever watched a movie in here. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much the updates on what life has been doing. I think you guys saw me. I had like a breakdown on TikTok the other time. I was crying. Oh, it was bad. But thank God that passed. You know what I'm saying? Every now and then you need to let it all out. Like, you need to let it all. You can't hold all those emotions out. But yeah, that's just a little life update on what's been going on. I have a lot of vlogs that I haven't posted that I will post, but for now, this is me, guys, and I'm gonna give you like a little vloggy vlog when I go to them. I don't know, it's a few days I have to pack actually, but I've been so lazy, that's all I know. But maybe this might continue. But anyway, this is it, guys. Thanks for watching my video. If you want me to get into detail of everything, how much I used when I moved here, how much I saved up to move here, because I feel like I didn't give enough details about everything that happened because I don't know. But if you're really interested in knowing all of that, in knowing how I moved here, where, how I did everything, including my waiver, my permit, my visa, bank account. Like, I didn't have a bank when I moved here, bank account, and everybody now, they use swipe, they use card. And I was like, damn, this place is going to stress me out. But anyway, I ended up getting a card, so now I can do online payments, I can pay my Ubers.
Is that your house? Wow. Wow. Oh my God.